Oh my
Is your
God.
air on, Becky?
I know, she was hilarious.
Yeah, I turned her air on for her.
Would you like to say something?
Would you what?
I won't
I'm
know
gonna say it
that
twice. Sorry, what? What? Seriously, Rebecca had to sit down where you hold yourself when you But really, it's like...
No, it's serious business when she makes you hold your hands up when you run.
What's the point of it? What are you trying to do?
Well, it also raises the heart rate too.
Ladies and gentlemen, if we could at least pretend to have your attention for just a few moments, we'd like to point out the safety features of Boeing 737-300. To properly fasten your seatbelt,
How you doing, Flink?
slide it into the buckle to release the clutch and will release your seatbelt. You want to tighten low across your hips, and anytime you are seated. If you don't like the jokes of the service, there's 6 ways you can leave us. 2 floor dogs, 2 avoiding window exits, 2 for exit door signs, overhead lights on the floor will lead you to an exit. You have a safety information card located in the seat back pocket in front of you with a literature pocket on the floor bulkhead. You'll notice on the inside, if this airline becomes a Carnival cruise, you have a life vest located underneath your seat. Open the container when told to do so, remove the top, open it up, place the vest over your head. Wrap the waist strap around your waist, buckling it in front and pulling to tighten. Once on the outside of the aircraft,